Removing bungees the easy way. I've got a rope and I've tied it around the cord, about a couple of inches from where it goes into the mount. Then I've taken this rope down the bottom and just pulled it tight so that this bit is coming in at right angles, and wrapped it around the rear bumper. So that only took a couple of minutes. And now the catapult has been disarmed. I can safely remove these screws now. 1 and 2. And there we have it. The bungee is now loose from here. When I slacken off the rope, it'll be as easy as anything to undo the other end as well. And replace if you wish, if that's the goal. When you put the bungee back in, it's exactly the same process but in reverse. So tie the rope, pull it around the bumper, pull it tight. Now when you go to put the bungee mount on, fill it with silicone, and do the screw closest to the outside first. Put that through the rope and then into the hole, which is in here somewhere. And screw it in. You might not want to go too tight on the first one until you get the second one in as well. You leave yourself some jiggle room. Okay, so that one's now in place. And I can screw them down tight. And there we have it. Bungee replaced.